Builderall 5.0 templates review. In this video, we'll take a quick look at the new templates and how to maneuver the new dashboard to create a quick one-page website, just to show you how to go about the new interface. I've recently uploaded Builderall 5.0 review. You can check it out if you haven't after watching this video. It's going to give you a complete virtual tour of the Builderall 5.0. It's going to give you a better understanding of the new Builderall system. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. This is the new dashboard, like I said earlier on. This button takes you to your latest project. Alright, so if you are working on something, you're going to see it through here. And if you want to start a new project, you're going to use create a website. If you want to create a store, create a webinar, a checkout sales page, or a membership area. And also, if you want to check out all the tools, just go here. All right, so these are some of the tools, and you can go through this arrow. All right, or you can access through the quick search. Let's say I want mailing boss. As soon as you start typing, it's just gonna pop up. All right, so this is the old version and this is the new version. This and that are not the same. All right, now minimize it. All right, so let's get into the purpose of today's video. All right, so we're gonna check out the new template. So click on start a project, click on create a website, scroll down, then click on start here. So these are all the templates. If you don't want to create a website from scratch, okay, and you can click here to upload more, depending on the type of website you want to create. This is good for tutorials and stuff like that. Or you can even use it for, this is for fitness, for barbers. Okay, and the list goes on. So if you want more, this is for gym. You can still click on this and it's gonna keep loading. All right, so I'm gonna use this to create a quick one-page website. So I will leave it like this and I'll come back to it later. Okay, so let me just go back and let's check out the physical store. So click on physical store. I want to have a physical store for my business. All right, then you click on start here. Okay, and these are all the templates. Actually, with this you don't have much. So let's take this for instance. So let's check it out. This is your header or your logo, and this will be your products. This one is really nice. I really like it with the pricing, and this is the checkout, but we'll get to that one too. Okay, I really like this one. Nice and simple. So if you want to create a store, this is the right template to use. All right, so let me close it. Let's go back. So you know what, for you not to get confused, let me close it. When I need it, I'll come back to it. You know the store that I show you? If you want to create a checkout for sales, this is the right app for it. So you click on sales checkout. Then you click start here. So let's say you want to launch a cookbook. So you click on the eye just to view it. All this portion, you're going to fill it with stuff. Depending on the design, if you don't need it, you're just going to delete it to check out. All right. So let's assume this is like a book. Okay. Then when the person clicks on it, so the customer will click on add to cart, then check out from here. All right. So that's about that one. I will close them. So I will show you the webinar template, a quick website. So a webinar is a conference system. It's an online conference system that brings people under one umbrella, to share a common goal, similar to Zoom or Skype and stuff like that. All right, so let's click on this. The title registration, event title, okay. That's about the webinar template. And last but not least is the membership area. So click on it. So this is if you have a program that you want only members to have access to it. For instance, marketing tag membership. So this will be your logo, the headline, and the models that you're going to be getting access to. Then they can download it. Then let's go back, close it. All right, so I'm going to minimize this. All right, so I'm going to show you how to create a quick one-page website with this. And let's go back. So create a website and start here. This will be the best thing. So I'll click choose. So let's check it out. So scroll down. So if you like what you see so far, then you click next. All right, choose the website name. Choose a name for your website to proceed. So here you're gonna click and choose the website name. Between 7 to 10 characters, good. Anything longer than that, sometimes your viewer cannot see it. Especially on the mobile version, it's gonna cut, or I can reduce to less than 10. So I can say make money online via affiliate marketing. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Good. Something simple like this. Sub headline. So we have to write something that makes your visitor even more curious. So I'll say free tutorials for beginners. All right, this is enticing enough. So we'll go down, write a few lines about your business history. All right, so I'll keep this just for the sake of the tutorial. Okay, you can write a whole lot. We have example here. So this is like the about section kind of. Okay, they will scroll down, title of one of your services. So one of my services is, say, affiliate marketing, and describe your service. All right, so this is just simple. All right, so I guess I'll keep it like this. Then create. So go to website. Okay, so as you can see, first of all, so to edit this, I'll go back here and I'll click edit. Blogsdom is here, so then I'll click on edit. All right, so we're gonna change the logo. General, change image right here and save. So when I'm done, then close this. Reduce this. Click on it one more time. Reduce. Then I'll push it back. Then I'll click save. That's fine. Then I'll go here. Then let's try and reload and see. It's nice and simple. Let's check something quick. So let's check on mobile. And that's one good thing about using templates, because everything is formatted already, so you don't have to go in and try and fix stuff. Okay, so as you can tell, free tutorials for beginners. So I don't want have a color. Or for instance, if you want to change the background color of this, so all the way black, we click down here, the code has changed. Okay, so I'll keep it like this, and I'll scroll down. That's how you change the color. Okay, and if you want to change the image, and always make sure to go to the corner, background settings. So you're gonna click on change image, or delete it, then you change it. Or if not, you can search image from here. These are free. So let's see, office. All right, so for instance, I want this, I will click on it, then I'll click save. Then it's gonna change it, but I don't want to do it because I like the image they have. Even though we were doing from the beginning, you can even come here and change everything that you want. Okay, yeah, to change the background image, you click here and you change it. If you want to change this, you click here, you change it, change the text, the description, okay, then you use this to change it. So that's how you do it. And let's say, for instance, this, I don't need it. What I'll do, I'll just click file corner like I told you, delete it, okay, good. Then what I'll do next, I'll just make sure I change this. I'll use 2 because I have one already. I use it for tutorial. Then this will be conditions. All right, you can add whatever you want. Okay, so here I'm gonna change this to black as well. So click on it. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the color again, all the way down. Good. So here what I'm gonna do, all right, so these are the disclaimers, and you need to add a link to make it official, because let's say I will be promoting something for Builderall. All I'm gonna do, I'll go all the way down, highlight. And the way I add the link, if you have links for your affiliate program, that's how you're going to embed your links. But I'll be coming up with more tutorials on how to do stuff with Builderall, so don't worry much. So this is how you go about it. So let's check the mobile version. Everything is intact. And this, don't worry about those. If you try to minimize it and stuff, trust me, sometimes it's time wasting. If you have time, do it, but it's not a big deal. So let's see if I can reduce this a bit. Okay, so nothing has happened here. All right, so it's good. Let's check on this, the tablet. All right, the tablet too, everything is good. So let's go back one more time to desktop. Then we click save. All right, so the last thing you need to do, please, please, please don't forget, go back here to my site dashboard and click on Republish. See, site successfully republished. If you don't do that, you're not going to be able to access this live. Please, please don't forget this process. It's the last thing you need to do, okay? So now I'm going to go back here and copy all this. Copy, because this will be the site name, okay? Or you can go back here, go to web page site, you can right click and copy link. You can do that as well. And go to incognito, paste it, enter, bam. So this is it. Everything is live, okay? The links are working. All right. So this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel because I'll be bringing more tutorials on the Builderall 5.0 and other Builderall versions that will be coming. All right. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.